Okay, folks, here's our third and final tutorial dealing with an introduction to JavaScripts. And in this particular tutorial, we'll go ahead and kind of put all the pieces together here. So our programming paradigm here is to get some input from our user, do some processing, in other words, do something with it, and then send some output back out to our user. Input, processing, and output. All right, so again, I'll go through all the steps here. Right-click on my desktop, create a new text document, rename the text document, and we'll put an HTML extension on it. Okay, and I'll open it up and edit it with Notepad. I'll put a body. Again, I'll put some text in here describing a little bit about what we're doing. Okay, let's put our script in. Use my script tag. And my script. I'm going to start with putting a couple comments in. Okay, so we want input. We're going to do some processing. We're going to do some output. All right, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use the variable statement here. I'm going to create a variable. And what I'm going to do is ask for somebody's name. So I'll say var space, and I'll choose, I can use whatever I want for a variable as long as it's not a reserved word. And so I'll use the word name. So let's go ahead and use the prompt command. But when I get input in now, I need to put it somewhere. So I'm going to store it in a variable. So I'll say name, and I'll assign the name whatever input my user provides. So I'll say name space equals, or I assign it to. I'll say prompt. Please enter your name. Again, I need to terminate my statement. Okay, so let's run. I got a couple things going here now. So I'm using the prompt method again, but now I'm actually taking whatever somebody puts in there and I'm storing. I need a place to store it, so I put that in a variable. I'll save it. And whoops, let's minimize some things here. Okay, now my JavaScript is up and running. It's asking me for my name, so I put my name in there. And of course, nothing happens after that. All right, but we're starting here on our code. So let's write the next line of text that we need here. Okay. So supposedly inside the variable name is whatever the user has inputted. We need to do something with it. Okay, so let's use the alert method now, which we know does output. Alert. And we'll go ahead and alert whatever is stored inside the variable name. Okay, terminate my statement, save it. Let me refresh my web page. It says please enter your name. So I put my name in there, hit OK. And now my alert message box displays my name. That's slick. Let's make a mistake. Okay, let's put name in quotes. Let's see what happens. So I'm going to say alert, and I'll put name in there. I'll put this in quotes. Now when we put something in quotes, that refers to text. It doesn't refer to the variable. So you can predict what probably is going to happen here, but let me go ahead and run it anyways. So we refresh it. I put my name in there, and what shows up is not my name, but actually the word name. Okay, so be careful when you examine variable versus text in your assignments here. Okay, well, let's take that out. All right, and I want to demonstrate one other tool here, and that's concatenation. There's a couple ways we can do this. Let's go ahead and do another assignment for name. So I'm going to assign to name some text. The text that I'll assign is hello. I'm going to use the concatenation operator, which is a plus operator. And concatenation means that we're just combining two strings. So I'm going to combine hello with whatever was entered into the name variable. And then I'll reassign that back to name. I'll go back down to my alert method, my alert message box, and then I'll go ahead and have it display whatever's in the variable name. All right. So we'll save it. Pull this back up again. It says, please enter your name. So I put my name in. Now we have a little more elegant of a script here where it actually not only says it's my name that was placed in a variable, but it also says hello. Okay, so we've done some string concatenation here too. All right, let's do one more example of this. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this line of code out where I did my second assignment. I did my string concatenation. Now we can also do a string concatenation inside the alert method. Okay, so here's the way I'm going to do it. I'm going to say inside here. By the way, it's going to display whatever's in parentheses here. So I'm going to say quotes, hello. I'll put a space in there. And I'll go ahead and end that text statement. And I'll put my concatenation operator in there. And then I have my variable name. Okay, so let's save it. And if we've done this correctly, we should get the same results. So refresh. Please enter your name. I put my name in there. I hit OK. And again, we get the same results.